Hi, my name's Roland Cape Brown Cave. I'm the Manager of Operations Planning for the Transportation Operations Services and the skate dot at Clifford Sonny Belch, formerly known as Hillcrest, and the Riverside Skills Development Area is now open. January of 2022, after the construction of the BMX pump track was completed, we had the second phase that we got funding for from Mayor and Council, and it was to develop a skills development area. Tried to find some people that would be able to help me. How I went about that was I put a posting out on social media that I was looking for experts in skate parks, people that use them, because that's who we really wanted to cater towards. So the committee has really helped me. Both Jaxxon and Kyle played an integral part. Their skills and their abilities to help me understand was greatly appreciated, and we really wouldn't be here with what we have now without their help, and I'm very grateful for the impact that they had, and I'm looking forward to working with them on other projects.
My name's Kyle Loist. I've been skating for a little over 20 years. I was excited to be involved. I come from a time where there was no skate park in Belleville. There was a wood one at the Zwick's tennis courts many moons ago, and I have two young kids, so to be involved in something that they could use down the road, just to be part of it and ensure that it did proceed as planned, and just to be involved in it any way I possibly could. I really wanted to get have some spots for more of training areas, practice spots, provided pretty well as much as we could in a small area. When we kind of got together, we looked into other skate dots in other areas, Toronto, Vancouver, some bigger cities, and they have a lot less. Most of them are just an empty area with maybe a bench or a little hump, or maybe no obstacles at all, just some nice pavement for people to kind of practice and get together. So when we saw the opportunity, we wanted to put as much into one area as we possibly could and try to make it as usable as possible. I have a bit of architecture experience. I'm a draftsperson, so when I saw the opportunity, and as soon as there was a bit of a land layout, I started just kind of playing around with the shape and what I could kind of fit in the area. Felt like we could all share ideas really well together, and yeah, a lot of input from everybody, and it was a great experience. Nice little low concrete ledge with coping. All the way around, so it's pretty simple but very usable. Little manual pads, grinds. We have three different size rails, or well, two different size rails and a square ledge. A little higher, better for BMXers and a little bit more advanced skaters. A lower one for kind of training purposes or getting warmed up. Just a little flat spot to prepare for the quarter, and the quarter pipe to send you back down and back up.
Hi, my name is Jaxxon Boudre. I've been scootering for about like 6 years now, and my experience is just like when I was younger, I just watched it all over YouTube and stuff, and I just decided to hop on one and just start riding. I just really wanted to like help out with the community, building more parks and like making more designs and stuff for like the younger people to get into it and to start riding. So right here we got like the mini bowl that we just built. It's like I think it's like 4 foot maybe, and it's for like the beginners to start learning and stuff. Here we got the street spot, I guess. It has like the little 2-stair with the 2 ramps beside it. We got like the box right here that people can learn on. It's pretty small, so it's smaller than the one over there that we have, so it'd be easier for people to learn on it. Here we got the flat rail, which is a lot tinier than the blue one that we have over there, and it's a lot more smooth.
Fences are down, the dot's open. It's ready to be used and put to use, so come on down and work on the skills.